Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Yesterday we had this headliner almost up and forgot to put the shade in. So if you drop the headliner down, let it rest on the stuff back here, you'll put a little buckle in it up there, but you can definitely get the sunshade out. So if you need the sunshade out, you can just remove the back end of the headliner, slide it up in there, remove the ring from around it, and get it in and out. The sunroof visor is a thinner material. So you can't take that thick material that you use on the headliner and use it on the sunroof. So we wasn't able to match that material. We ended up going with a vinyl. So decide what you're going to put for the visor and your A-pillars and go with that. Got the glue set in a minute or two, and we're going to put it on here. Clean the glue off the excess down here and trim it, wrap the tip, and put it up. This here has an arrow pointing to the front of the car. It goes that way, and this piece here tucks up here this way for it to get attached under. So you put that there, and you take this up here, press it in place, put that 14mm in there. And that's it, the roof liner's in. That shade was a little bit of a pain to get in, and we got a clip holding that thing in. Hopefully the glue that we use will hold that on. We ended up using dark gray vinyl, and he's going to do his A-pillars since he's had the training, and he should be good to go. I don't know if you guys remember, but this 98 S70 T5 has an SRS light, and we're going to fix that today. When you start the car up, SRS light comes on, doesn't go off. This is the one I redid the head on. Shortly after that, the SRS light came on. So there it is there. As you can see, the car is running, no other lights on. So you want to use a level 2 scanner, which I have here, to read the code. So we'll read it real quick, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do to try to fix it. So let's shut the car off after it runs for a minute. As long as it's warm, it's not too bad. So don't get lawnmower syndrome, and scan it. There's a scanner that I have. You can get the link in the comments section. Read it first. What the heck? Diagnose. Scan. Went the wrong way. Volvo. Diagnose. I don't know, hint. Just give me the diagnose option, man. Automatic scan. Pick the car when it lets me get there. %, 50%. 75%. Fault in communication. Let's try manual select. S70. Jeez, went the wrong way. There it is. 98. SRS system. 100%. Read it. Driver's airbag open circuit. Normally, if the airbag hasn't been deployed, it's the pickup sensor reel behind it. So we're going to pull the steering wheel collar off, pull the airbag off, pull the steering wheel off. There's a link in the comments for that, and replace this thing real quick. So the steering wheel nuts out, pull the steering wheel out, push that thing back in there. I put that set screw in there. Unplug this here. Then this T25, T25, T25. This is probably what's bad, causing that SRS light to come out. Also, this is what trips your turn signal stock right back there. His was not returning, so this may repair two birds with one stone. And it also should have a wire plugged in the back, so I'm going to unplug that. Then I'm going to plug in the replacement. You got to use the one from your vehicle year. It's got a certain color, green and green. Can't mix green, orange, all that stuff. So this is what trips your turn signal. That was damaged on his car. So let me swap this over. Scan, clear the code. Oh, that black tab there hits this little thing here when you put your turn signal out. Trips it back. So as long as that's okay, that piece is your problem. This one seems a little tough to return, so this may or may not fix this problem. Finally returned. Those screws in that thing, the one in the top and two in the front, don't tighten those too tight. They need to be just a little bit past snug tight. Don't crush the plastic. When you align this up, you should have marked your steering wheel before you took it off. Put that in, and then pull that in. Pull that out. Then I'm going to plug the airbag in, start the car, and clear the code. We're going to go and clear the light. Oval, S70, diagnose, okay, manual select, S70 down here, 98, SRS. I'm going to cut the video off and get rid of the flash. I'm going to just go for erase. Yes, it says it's erased. So let's exit out of here and fire the car up, see if our SRS light is out. Still got an SRS light. I'm going to scan it one more time. If that didn't clear when I scan it, I'm going to change the airbag. Alright, I went back, read the codes, cleared the codes, then it stayed out. So we're good to go. And we're going to replace the mirror over there on the door. I come in here and tried to stop this overflow drain leak. I couldn't get a gasket back there because this old school thing couldn't get it out. So I put some putty in there. Let me turn the light on. Where this top piece fits over the pipe, then I put some putty around here where a gasket would go had I been able to put one in there. And now I'm going to put the chrome piece back on there. Hopefully that'll stop that from leaking if it overfills. And then after that, I'm going to try to get this tub cleaned out. I'm going to wet sand it with some 400 grit and maybe from there hit it with some 1000 grit. In this tub, we've been trying to get clean for 2 weeks. All kind of household strong cleaners. You can see it looks like it got a strong bathtub ring still. it's been like that. I decided to try some wet and dry 400 grit sandpaper, and man, this thing is coming clean. So don't give up. Use the wet dry sandpaper as the last resort. This side over here has been sanded, that side has not. So you need to, it's a porcelain tub, so this thing is pretty thick. It's got a couple of deep chips right there, but you got a lot of stuff you can sand away. So you can hit it with maybe something a little bit more abrasive, but I'm starting at 400, and then to get a good shine on it, I'm probably going to go to 1,000. That should make this tub shine like new. Sanded this tub down, looks pretty clean, 400 grit. Now I'm going to hit it, wet sand it with some 1,000 grit, see if it'll shine, because right now it's just kind of clean and dull. Hopefully 1,000 grit will polish it up some, or you can try 2,000 grit. Here's the other tub, been scrubbed, scrub. Still got stained issues. About to wet sand this with some 400 and then with 1,000. We actually hit this with some iron out, and it actually made the tub look a little worse. So we're trying to get this porcelain clean. We're going to do it with this wet sandpaper. 400 grit and 1,000 grit. Running out of time. I'm going to go ahead and fix these drawers. We got a couple of new deals that go in there, tracks. Going to put them on and probably call it a night. These little cabinet drawer track ends don't fit perfect, but they fit well enough to hold that thing in while you push the drawer in and out. Looks like somebody installed one up there before, so that's what we're going with. Try to get them as level as possible. Drawer closes. On to the next project. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.